Take a big bowl and put 2/3 of a bottle of wine. It doesn't have to be special, but it does give good flavour.
Add some crushed garlic, peeled shallots, a bunch of fresh thyme, and a few bay leaves.
And then we put the chicken in.
My tip for this dish is to cover, then chill the chicken overnight, and it'll soak up all those lovely flavours. Use the marinade to make the rich casserole sauce, and you can't go wrong. Season and seal the chicken. Once the chicken's done, time for some delicious smoky bacon. When the bacon's nice and crispy, add all those marinated shallots.
Now I'm going to thicken the mixture.
I've got an old trick that works every time. Whisk 150 ml of cold water into 3 tablespoonfuls of flour. Then gradually stir in the marinade. Do this and there'll be no lumps. Finish with some tomato puree and brown sugar. Now simply cook at 140 fan for around 20 minutes. To make this casserole sing, we need some mushrooms. Cook them off separately in hot butter so they don't become too soggy.
I think that looks really great.